Biden's farewell foreign policy, key action and implications. As US President Joe Biden nears the end of his term, his foreign policy is expected to take a more assertive and possibly unconventional turn, particularly in dealing with Russia and the Israel Hamas conflict. With his recent announcement not to seek re election, Biden finds himself in unique positions to pursue bold and potentially unpopular foreign policy discussions without the constraints of political fallout affecting his party's perspective in the upcoming elections. In the next 6 months, Biden is anticipated to intensify measures against Russia in response to its continued aggressions in Ukraine. This could involve a range of actions from imposing more stringent economic sanctions to providing additional military support and resources to Ukraine. Such moves would reinforce the US commitment to supporting Ukrainian sovereignty union and deterring Russia's expansions. Simultaneously, Biden is expected to expert pressure on the Israel to agree to a ceasefire with Hamas. The aim is to reduce ongoing violence and pave the way for more suitable or stable and peaceful relation in the Middle East. This incentive reflects Biden's broader strategic goal for promoting regional stability and addressing humanitarian concern in conflict zones. After the November 5 elections, Biden policy discussions will predominating shape his legacy rather than impact the Democratic Party's chances, with Vice President Kamala Harris likely to be the party's presidential nominee. Freed from the immediate pressure of electoral consideration, Biden has a rare opportunity to focus on long-term strategic objective and take more decisive actions on the international affairs. Despite facing significant legislative constraints due to the Republican-controlled House of the Representatives, Biden retains considerable authority over foreign policy. This executive prerogative allows him to bypass some of the partisan's gridlocks that have stemmed other areas of his agenda. Hence, he can important substantial changes that align with the administration's foreign policy vision. In summary, Biden's farewell foreign policy is expected to feature a tough stance on Russia and proactive efforts to mediate peace in the Middle East. These actions will reflect his administration's commitment to international stability and security, shaping his legacy as a president willing to take bold steps in the face of global challenges. Keep watching for the latest development.